So in this Canva tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the text to picture photo here in Canva, or text to image feature here in Canva. So first thing you have to do is go to the left hand side of the screen. I want you to go all the way down to where it says apps. I want you to press on apps. Then when you're on the app screen, right here at the top, it says text to image. There also probably is an option down low right here, create something new. You can go to text to image as well. It doesn't really matter. It's going to be the exact same thing. So if I press on it here, it now agrees you to a new screen where it says use brand technology to create an image that you can describe. So basically using the power of AI, you could type in whatever thing you want and it's going to produce an example. So let's just say I want to search up a thing. How about I search up a blue dog? Right, blue dog for example. I'll press enter. It's going to take some time to generate photos for a blue dog. It's not going to be a perfect system, but it does a pretty good job. So as you can tell, it generated a couple photos here of a blue dog. So if I wanted to use this photo, for example, in the bottom left corner, I can just press on it there. There you go. I can press on it there. There you go. Created a blue dog. Perfect. Now if I want to search up another one, how about a pink hippo? Why not? Just search up a pink hippo. It can be anything you want, right? I'm just doing, basic colors and animals here just to show how this technology works. And there you go. It is now demonstrating a bunch of different options of pink hippos, which is, hilarious. How about this little fella right here? That is perfect. So once it's done, I'm just going to press on this pink hippo right here, and boom, there you go. That is a photo of a pink hippo. That is how you can use the text to image feature here on Canva. I hope this video helped.